how to easily replace the inner core of a heatable hose yourself. In this guide, we will show you step by step how you can replace the inner core of a heatable hose, easily and without any specialist knowledge. However, the inner core cannot be replaced in all heatable hoses. The hose must be configured accordingly when ordered. Now, the following tools will be required: an open-end wrench size 19, an Allen key 2.5mm. For the preparation, make sure that you wear suitable protective clothing during assembly, such as heat-resistant gloves and goggles, because you need to preheat the hose to about 100 degrees. Replacing the inner core. Now, using the open wrench, loosen the hose connector of the heated hose and remove it. The locking sleeves on both sides of the heated hose are also loosened using the Allen key. If necessary, flip the hose over to loosen the locking sleeve on the opposite side. The inner core can now be pulled out. Should, however, the inner core become jammed when pulling it out, loosen the locking sleeves a little more. It is recommended that both the new inner core and the carrier hose are cleaned with the compressed air to remove dust and residues. Insert the new inner core into the carrier hose. Tighten the locking sleeves again on both sides and mount the hose connectors. The hose is now ready for use again. That was simple, wasn't it?